Start it over.
Start it over again. We didn't like our last tape.
Hell yeah,
So we're back
even though it's
once
a new
again.
tape.
But it's
It's G's up, hoes down, let's roll up and smoke now. I'm high as fucking, I ain't trying to come down. They say I'm always tripping when this one hoe come around, but it's all good, cause I'ma just continue rolling these woes up, sip my malt liquor and continue hitting these hoes up. Damn, it's just me and my niggas and we stay loaded. But so what, this is the life like it was chosen, and understand that we in it for better. And right now, what can be better in this moment we spending together? Shit. And we getting it together, living together, man. These my niggas through whatever, huh? From long walks in the studio with DC and waiting sessions with J So. Headphones on, banging J Cole and waiting for my time to shine like J Stones. This time is what you make it, then I finna make it, homie. And this is simply for them niggas that been hating on me, and them bitches that didn't want me when I didn't have paper, homie. Man, I do this for y'all, nigga. It's G's up, hoes down. Let's roll up and smoke now.
if you be tripping while you sipping, you be stepping on my kick, saying you loud and you don't listen.
You don't need to drink. It's G's up, hoes down. Let's roll up and smoke now.
I told you that I'm with the biz, you think you ready. I'm gon' trip and we gon' get on there and you ain't gon' have shit to say. I wake up early every morning, wait before the crack of dawn, and the blunt already rolled just to start my day. We smoke like Cheech and Chong, we even put our weed in bongs, bowls, and swishes regular for the weed taste. Excuse me, miss, I'm heavily intoxicated. I'm not surprised we on the top, it's how fast we made it. My struggle was long and hard like my cock, baby. So you know we go hard as a rock, baby. Me and my niggas live life like life lives itself. Shit happens, just be worried for the worst, that is best. Never stress, cause I'm blessed. Kush weed, nothing less. Who's next? I'll pass the bomb, but you match one out of respect. Just a thought, a day I remember. They let me out the bitch the 13th of December. They let loose an animal, really untamable. I'm not from Inglewood, but I'll play the role. Money over matter, cause nothing matters but the money. I see you sleeping, you hibernating, this shit is funny. It's
G's up, hoes down. Let's roll up and smoke now.
If you be tripping while you sipping, you be stepping on my kick, saying you loud and you don't listen. You don't need to drink.
It's G's up, hoes down. Let's roll up and smoke now.
I told you that I'm with the biz, you think you ready. I'm gon' trip and we gon' get on there and you ain't gon'
Got
have
shit to say.
G's up,
It's us,
hoes down,
Jax,
Mooney Jax,
and
we back.
what's up?
Fresh out,
Freestyle.
and I'm on.
Well,
Off top,
it's something we working on.
it's up,
Yeah.
in the back, 6'6".
Six.
What that shoe? That's a dick, that's a dick. Fuck that nigga, that's that, big banging, that's that, get the crib. That nigga stupid.